Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ed and today I'm going to unbox the folding fan which I bought from Zonghua Telecom using my Hami points. So before I unbox this, I'm going to show you the features. So it says it has 4th gear wind, it has natural wind, and 15,900 mAh. I think this is for the power bank. So there are 2 ports for this fan. It has input, which uses USB Type-C, and then regular USB-A for output, so you can charge your phone. And then telescopic folding, remote timing, so it has a remote control for setting the timer or turning it off and on, I think. And then we have the lithium-ion battery, which has 18,650 mAh. And then it has removable mesh cover so that you can easily clean the blade. And then, yeah, it says it has long battery life. So this is the box. So outside of the box, it looks like this. So I think this is made in Taiwan. So it's time to unbox this and see what's inside. Has nice packaging. So what I like about this, it's an easy storage fan, so I can easily keep the fan if I don't need it. So but right now, because summer is coming, so yeah, I thought I decided to buy one just in case I need a fan. So yeah, it comes with a bag and it's nicely packed inside. So what's inside? It's only this charging cable. So let's see, where is the remote? So let's try to unlock. So here's the remote. It's nice. And maybe let's try to turn it on. Okay, there's a lock behind so that it won't go down like this. So I have to lock it first. And then maybe let's try to turn it on. So this is the first fan speed, so not bad. This is the number 2, and the third fan speed, it's not bad, it's quite strong for a small fan. But right now it's pretty cool here, so I cannot say that it will help during the summer days. So let's try to adjust the height so that we can see how long this folding fan is. In fairness to the body where you adjust the height, it's quite sturdy. It won't easily fold itself if you're worried about that. And the materials used are aluminum alloy and plastic, so it's not heavy, it's very portable and easy storage. You can just store it inside your cabinet when not in use. So yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It will help my channel grow and provide more free content. Thank you. See you in the next video.